This is just a quick video to show you how to get the format of month, day, year, or any sort of calendar format. You simply click in a cell, you go to Format, you go to Number, then you go to More Formats, then you go More Date and Time Formats. And you can see you actually have month, day, year here, or day, month, date, year. So you have all these different formats that you can potentially use. Or you can actually get rid of some of these if you want. So you can actually add in minutes, and you can actually click in here and delete it. So it's just month and day if you want. So it's totally up to you how you want to set these formats up. I'm not going to change this. I use this particular format, and then I've changed the formats in other sections of the sheet so I can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And I can see that what I haven't done here is I should have set this day to the Monday so that it shows Monday here. So I'll fix that in a minute. Thank you.